Welcome to the next session of Basic ICT Skills. Last session was about Internet and the Internet terminologies. In today's session, we are going to understand the important communication tool of Internet or World Wide Web, which is nothing but your electronic mail or email in short form. So email is a communication system that sends and receives messages through the internet by using specific email addresses or IDs. This is the most convenient method of sending messages across the world. Without email, we cannot imagine our day-to-day life, whether it is school work, whether it is business-related work, whether it is office-related work, any work for that matter, the communication is sent in the best possible way is email. Now, this system, that is emails, are managed by something called as mail servers. Any person who has got an email ID looks we can see the email address in the following way. For example, abc@gmail.com. Here, ABC is the username and Gmail is the service provider or the email service provider the user is accessing. Now, why should one use electronic mails or emails? These are the advantages. First of all, it's very fast because it is instant. The moment you compose a mail and send it across to the person, he or she immediately receives it. Next, it is affordable. No need to spend lots and lots of time purchasing the paper, printing cost, publishing cost, nothing of that, stamp cost, nothing of that is required. It is very affordable. And it is easy to use also. Any person who has an email address can easily go to that particular email service provider, type the email, compose it, and then send it across. It's very easy to learn. And any type of file can be sent as an attachment with the mail. Suppose the mail is very small, you want to send 10 documents as a supporting material for your mail, you can easily send it. Whether it is audio file, video file, text file, PowerPoint presentations, or spreadsheets, anything can be sent as an attachment with the mail. So if these advantages are there, why should not one use email? Isn't it so? Yes, that is why we very frequently use email in both our personal as well as professional lives. Now, if we have to use email, then what we should have? Obviously, we should have an account wherein we sign in or if we log in with the correct user ID and password. Suppose we don't have an email, then what we should do? We should go to a free email service provider like Gmail or Rediffmail or Hotmail or Yahoo Mail. There we have to go and we have to sign up. Sign up means what? We have to register. When we register, we are given a form to enter where we are going to provide our user ID, password, our personal details, not in the sense more personal details, our name, then our phone number, all these things will be stored and then the registration process becomes successful and then we will be provided with the user ID and a password. Using that one, we will authenticate ourselves that we are the right persons or we are the correct person to use this email ID and password, and then we can start sharing our emails with our friends and family. So we should have an account. To have an account, we have to sign up. Once we sign up, once the registration is over, next procedure is what? We sign in or we log in order to enter into the email system. Let us take an example of Gmail now. Most of us are using this Gmail, which is provided by Google company. Now, this Gmail is a very efficient mail service provider system wherein we can compose our mail. Composing means what? Typing our mail with the subject, with the body of the mail, with any attachments if we have to send, and we type the address to whom we want to send the mail. Next is inbox. Inbox is a place wherein all our mails get collected. Okay, so whichever mail comes to us, it gets collected in the inbox area. Then we can know the list of mails sent to different people under sent mail option. Then we have something called as drafts. Before sending the mail, if you want to create a layout for your letter or mail, you can do it and keep it in the draft area. Then there is something called as spam, that is unwanted mails coming from unknown locations. will be stored or can be stored under spam folder. Then we have bin, where the deleted mails can also be sent. So in this way, Gmail can be used in order to send a mail to our friends and family and effectively, and we can use this service in order to send mails, either professional mails or personal mails. So that's it about email. More coming up in the next video sessions. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.